Horizontal milling machine in excellent working condition. The make of the machine is Hitachi Seiki, Japan, and the model of the machine is 3MLP. The table size of the machine is 1600 by 350 mm. You can see the condition of the table. You can also see the condition of the slide. The machine is complete with one arbor, one bracket, now show me longitudinal travel in feet. Change the direction. Now show me in rapid. Change the direction in the rapid. Now show me cross travel in feet. Show me in rapid. Change the direction. Show me in rapid. Now show me vertical travel in feet. Show me in rapid. Change the direction. Show me in rapid. Now we'll see different speed rates of travel. First show me at its low speed rate. Working at its low speed rate. Increase the feed rate. Feed rate has been increased. Now show me at its maximum feed rate. Feed rate has been increased to its maximum speed. Now we'll see different spindle speeds. The low spindle speed is 30 rpm and the high is 1500 rpm. Right now working on its minimum speed, that is 30 rpm. Increase the spindle speed. The spindle speed has been increased to 180 rpm. Change the spindle speed. Working on spindle at 1000 rpm. Now show me at its maximum spindle speed, that is 1500 rpm. Working of spindle at its maximum speed, that is 1500 rpm. And you can hear there is very less noise even at its high rpm also. The overall condition of the machine is excellent.